Had a little bit of snow last night in the mountains. It's about 70 right now, but we got some good snow cover up there. This is the RV Frank garage. I sealed the floor. It keeps it cleaner. So what we have going on here is with the Flair, a Flair update. This is the current TST or Truck System Technology tire monitoring system. It has, I've had this for about 3 years now. And it comes with these monitors that screw onto the valve stem. And they had battery life, I think good for 5 years. But when they are left on the stem, they're transmitting out, and therefore the battery life was shortened. And they cannot be recharged or batteries replaced. You have to buy new monitors, which gets expensive, especially if they're going to continue to use the battery up. Now the problem with taking them off, depending on the setup, is when you have these wheel covers on, it's not a simple job of just unscrewing them because of the close tolerance here to the wheel cover. So it becomes a pain to take those off. And I think 3 of the 6 that I have on here are out. So what I did was I contacted TST and explained to them, what are my options. And of course I could have purchased new caps, new monitors. This is the monitor head. It's about 2.5 inches, probably a 2.5 inch display there. The option would be to replace those or to buy the new system, which if you could see on the periphery here, there are little screw heads, so you can replace the batteries in these. And you get a little larger display. They're both monochromatic monitors. This has a different configuration to it. I just put Velcro and set this on my dash. I'll have to look at how I mount this and where I mount it. Might have different options given the configuration, mounting style. But anyway, these will go on there. And the tire monitoring system I have for the Toad, which is my Colorado, is on this RVI Brake 2 system that is installed in the Colorado to give braking, as well as it has these tire pressure sensors and a head unit in the driver area up there to monitor the tire pressure. So I both have brake control over the Colorado Toad and the tire monitoring system. So as you can see, I'm a big believer in knowing what the tire pressure is on the equipment.